So I was booked for both photo and video for my friend's wedding. I took 3 cameras in total, a pair of XH1s for a 2 camera video setup to cover the ceremony and speeches, and an X100F just because I had just gotten it and really wanted to try it out. While I did use all cameras that day, I spent the majority of the day using the silver X100F. It was just so much fun to shoot with that I had a hard time putting it down in favor of the XH1 with one of my Fuji primes. But before we get into the rest of the video, if you're new here, my name's Tim DeGrassa and I'm a photographer and filmmaker with a passion for documentary storytelling. On this channel, you'll get to see my work with and hear my thoughts on gear I use to tell stories. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to join the journey. All right, just a quick disclosure, y'all. While I don't have my X100F anymore, I did buy it with my own money and no one has reviewed or approved this video before I'm releasing it to y'all, especially not Fuji. Now with that out of the way, I think using the X100F for most of the wedding day came down to a few things. First, I had the silver X100F, and if you've seen my comparison video between the silver versus black X100V, its successor, then you'll know why this camera might have worked a little bit more in my favor. But to keep it short, the silver colorway looks very retro, and I think that helps put people's guard down. So they may not think the camera is as capable as it is. And not only that, but the X100F is naturally small in size and doesn't look intimidating. As a documentary photographer, this works in my favor because I was able to get closer to people without them feeling awkward or without them feeling like they had to drop a smile. People just think that you have a small, old school camera, so they drop their guard and don't think the pictures are gonna come out that good. So you sort of fade into the background with the rest of the wedding party. It's sort of like when you use an instant film camera to take pictures. No one's really worried about how it's gonna come out. They're just wanting to document the moment in the most authentic way, and that shows in the photo because they're super relaxed and just having a good time. And I felt that with the X100F, I was able to create that same experience, so I naturally ended up using it more because shooting just felt more organic and the photos prove that. So I'd love to just take this time to show you some of my favorite photos from the wedding day when I was using just the X100F. I hope you enjoyed those photos. If this video helped you out and you want to see more like it, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.